In a bold move that's shaking up US foreign aid, the Trump administration is slashing over 90% of US aid's foreign aid contracts just months after freezing funding altogether. After a detailed review of foreign aid programs, the administration has decided to eliminate a staggering $60 billion worth of contracts. And yes, you heard that right. 15,000 contracts are on the chopping block, including both US aid and US State Department grants. Now let's take a closer look at the cuts. What's exactly going on? Well, a whole lot actually. Within the US State Department, around 4,100 foreign aid grants totaling $4.4 billion will be completely eliminated. But the real bombshell is with USAID. The agency will see a cut of 5,800 aid contracts worth $54 billion, which makes up a jaw-dropping 92% of its multi-year grant spending, according to a memo obtained by the Washington Free Beacon. But don't worry, there's still some grants that will remain. The only ones that are spared, well, some legal aid for lawyers involved in ongoing court battles, according to the Associated Press. What's the big freeze and the countdown clock? This move comes after a 3-month freeze on US foreign aid, while the administration reviewed this spending to ensure it fits with US President Donald Trump's America First agenda. The deadline for the administration to release the frozen funds was looming, with a federal judge demanding that aid payments be unblocked by Wednesday night. So therefore, in response, the Trump administration scrambled to finalize the cuts quickly. The memo stated that as the deadline approached, the administration moved rapidly to ensure foreign aid contracts were reviewed and slashed with no holds barred. And what's the point of all this? Why is the Trump administration making such drastic cuts? According to the memo, the main aim is to rein in US taxpayer money being spent abroad, and perhaps more importantly, to ensure that foreign aid actually benefits the United States directly. The memo makes it clear that the administration is focused on getting answers to 3 big questions. Does it make America safer? Does it make America stronger? Does it make America more prosperous? If the answer to any of those questions is no, the program is out. On the other hand, the US State Department added that it plans to reform the way the United States delivers foreign assistance after what it described as decades of institutional drift. Translation: they want to cut out the fat and focus only on the programs that make a real difference to the United States. In addition to the funding cuts, the administration also made moves on the workforce front. Over the weekend, the Trump administration announced it would place all but top leaders and critical staff at USAID on paid administrative leave and eliminate 1,600, that is 1,600 positions. Employee unions are of course not happy and have filed lawsuits to challenge the cuts, but a judge ruled last week that the cuts can proceed. So what is happening next? With all the cuts and reforms, the Trump administration is sending a clear message. It's time to rethink the US role in foreign aid and make sure every dollar spent is directly linked to American interests. Whether these drastic moves will help or hurt the United States' image on the world stage remains to be seen, but it's certainly a major shift from past practices. In the end, it's all about asking the hard questions and trimming the fat, literally. If it doesn't make America safer, stronger, or more prosperous, it's getting the axe. And with the judge's deadline fast approaching, this foreign aid overhaul is going to hit fast and hard. For more details on what happens to US aid, US foreign aid, and the ramifications on a global stage, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.